Life moves fast, and so does your career. You've built a successful path, but now it's time to diversify your investments and secure your financial future. Introducing The Prestige, your trustworthy, vetted partner in commercial real estate investing. We understand that you're time-starved with a family to care for and a demanding career to navigate. Not only sheltering, but safely multiplying your returns in a hard asset, which does not walk away. You can drive by it anytime. At The Prestige, we specialize in serving professionals like you who seek safe and secure investments without the burden of becoming an expert in commercial real estate. With over 400 years of combined experience, our team of seasoned experts is here to guide you towards high return, high yield investments in a low yield market. We meticulously analyze market trends, assess potential risks, and identify lucrative opportunities, ensuring your investment portfolio is optimized for growth and stability. Here's a few of our client testimonials. Wow, DL, this is so exciting. I'm so happy for you and for us. Very exciting, and love the floor plans. We've got our distribution pending in our bank account. Thank you so much, DL. DL, we can set our watch to your distributions. Never missed a payment. Don't let time constraints hold you back from maximizing your investments. Visit The Prestige at mayhill.com today for our current and rare investment opportunity, and let us leverage our expertise to secure your future. DL began in commercial real estate in 2005 and is one of the top seasoned leaders in investing and developing in Southern California and Dallas, Texas. And there is no slowing down. The Prestige, your partner in commercial real estate investing.
Another lovely lady. I'm on like the lady train, which I'm super proud that women are stepping out of their comfort zone and coming up here. It's not easy. This lady is a force to reckon with. She's from Dallas. She's been in the commercial space for over 20 years. She's in the process of doing one deal for $220 million. That's right. Wow, right? We've been hearing JT say wow. It's a wow. And I think these are numbers that you don't just jump into, right? She's an engineer investor, and she's someone who has baby stepped through the commercial real estate process. And I think it's something that is super important. You got to learn how to crawl before you can walk, before you can run. And so many people want to get to running, but you don't get to $220 million deals overnight. And I can tell you guys that because I work with a lot of people who do 9-figure deals, and they didn't start there. So you got to pay your dues. You got to work your way in. But once you're in those circles, it gets a little bit easier. It's actually easier to fund a 9-figure deal than it is a $1 million deal. Is that weird? Super weird, right? Most people are like, oh, I think a $1 million deal is easier. But once you hit a certain level, it's actually easier to fund over 25 million than under. So I'm going to bring her out. Right now, she owns 14 million in assets under management, 1 million square feet. That's what that equates to. And she's doing a really big deal. She wants to come out here and talk to you, and I'm super honored and super fortunate to bring DL Campbell onto stage.
I'm really happy to be here. Thank you for carving out time of your weekend, and we are excited to have you here. Everybody is excited to have you here. You can tell I'm a commercial real estate developer, and I am not a PowerPoint expert. So let's see if I can see the screen and stay where you are. Why listen to us? Well, I do have $14 million asset under management. I do have 1 million square feet that I control. You know, I own 90%, I control 100%. So we're very excited. I also have been speaking at family offices, family law offices, and registered investment advisor meetings. Last week I was in Scottsdale, and I spoke for them. And the week prior, I was in Napa being pampered by our GC owners rep, which was very nice. They're a good team. And next week, I'm going to Savannah. I'm speaking in front of 60 registered investment agents, broker-dealers, family law offices for the rest of our capital stack. We have a $100 million Texas multifamily fund. That's only one of them that is chasing our deal. And it's very exciting. We got it entitled. We have $8 million of equity. Can you say $8 million? $8 million. $8 million in equity. So we've gotten our property to the point where it is entitled. We're going to put a shovel in the ground June 1st. So we're very excited about that. We're putting all of our energy there. Why are you here? The most important question. Is it you want to create generational wealth? The most important question. Do you want to double your income in cash flow so you can retire? You can write that letter that says, "Dear Mr. Boss, it is with mixed emotions that I'm going to have to give you my letter of resignation. Joy and happiness." That's a great engineer joke, right? So I am an engineer investor. I can do accounting at a CPA level. That's a good reason to listen a little bit for these few seconds. Do you want to put your 401k or your 201k to work? Do you want to provide some security or shelter your money? Do you have a problem? You have too much money and you really don't want to pay taxes on that. So we're going to give a little bit of an introduction. These are the points in the presentation, but Shanoa asked me to make that next training course. Anybody have one of these? Yeah, so we're going to do that and just try to help a little bit. I'm not here to sell you anything. And we're going to teach on this program Friday at noon on the regular Zoom channel. Now, good training. I want you guys to have some good training because I'm not here to sell you anything. Everybody recognize this big dog screen where you have big dog tools, you have calendar events, you have recordings of trainings that they do, commercial and residential, fantastic programs. And I did some value matching and I just wanted to hang out with them. They're awesome. We also have about 72 YouTubes on our commercial real estate channel, The Prestige. So I want you to go to your YouTube channel on your phone and like and subscribe today because it's free education. Here's our team. I want you to know what a stellar team looks like. It's a stellar team. That's one of the things you want to look for in commercial due diligence is we have 400 plus years of commercial and construction experience on our team. About $85 million of asset under management between us. And Brad Blazer. He's our investor advisor. If you'd like a copy of these slides, then please get back with your contact at the Real Estate Masters. This is a property that we completed in Northwest Austin, built in 2018, 240 units on 14 acres, and it sold for a profit of $22 million. Sold for a profit of $22 million. Tally and Daniel Donati, you all know those folks in Dallas. They have a GC business. They're working our pre-construction project management. They're fabulous. So again, we're working with Kimley Horn, the best civil in the state, and we're about to put a shovel in the ground June 1st. 22 North, Northwest Austin. You can drive by it if you're in Austin. Some more pictures of that sister property. So in conclusion, I would like you to be able to look at a stellar deal, because that's about the time that we have for today, and understand a mediocre deal from a bad deal and a stellar deal. And you have some questions, get back with us. Thanks for listening. God bless.
After a lifetime of hard work and dedication, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. As you enter into retirement, securing your nest egg and preserving your financial future becomes paramount. Not only sheltering, but safely multiplying your returns in a hard asset, which does not walk away. You can drive by it anytime. Introducing The Prestige, your trustworthy, vetted partner in commercial real estate investing. We understand that you seek less risk, financial security, and a reliable source of income. With over 400 years of combined experience and proven track records, The Prestige is your beacon of trust. We specialize in providing safe and secure investment opportunities tailored to your retirement goals. We know that you need to rely on experts to navigate the complexities of the market. That's why our team of seasoned experts is here to guide you every step of the way. Our collateral contracts have been approved 10 plus times by Quest IRA, which is under the SEC. Here are just a few of our client testimonials. Wow, DL, this is so exciting. I'm so happy for you and for us. Very exciting. Love the floor plans. We've got our distribution pending in our bank account. Thanks so much, DL. DL, we can set our watch to your distributions. Never missed a payment. Don't compromise on your retirement dreams. Visit The Prestige at mayhill.com today for our current and rare investment opportunities. And let us utilize our 400 plus years of experience to safeguard your nest egg and provide you with a secure investment in a low yield market. We are owner operators with daily hands-on on-site responsibilities. We are not syndicators. DL began in commercial real estate in 2005 and is one of the top seasoned leaders in investing and developing in Southern California and Dallas, Texas. And there is no slowing down. The Prestige, your trusted partner in commercial real estate investing for retirees.